Hello friends, welcome back. Today we have the Realme Pad 3 with us, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Assistant. Just follow the instructions to manage this feature properly. So don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications. Now let's start today's video.